Hi guys, I'm just upgrading the firmware on the Anker Prime 27,650 milliamp, it takes a little bit of time. So I just wanted to share this with you. And this is what it shows on the power bank when it's upgrading. It's quite nice actually, a little rocket flying. So we just need to wait for this and see how it works with the new firmware. It's almost done. I think it was completed in probably less than 1 minute. So yeah, let's see. 97, 98%, 99, and it should be successful, hopefully. So now it's just doing a device reboot. Not much changing in here while it's doing a device reboot. Very interesting. Still showing as waiting for the device to restart, but on the power bank is just saying upgrading, and now it just says upgrading complete. So it was saying upgraded completed, and let's see if it shows anything else. It just shows it's restarting. And 100% in the app is saying update successful, and everything is back to normal.